organized football.
Yeah, organized. When we went sign up, it was my I think it was 7th grade, beginning the summer of 7th grade. So it was like I think it's like 80, 81.
81.
Yeah. So we played Pop Warner football basically, tackle. Yeah, well, you figure it's gonna be fun, just like you play with your buddy out of the yards. But after that first game, something taught me real valuable lesson. Organized football is not fun. It's after the first play, somebody hit the shit out of me. I was seeing stars. I was mad. All kinds of emotion go through my mind. It dawned on me that this is not a game. Right now I'm trying to survive. So ever since that first game, all the games I have played, it always has been about survival every game, because you don't know that. It's not like sports where it's fun. You don't know if you're going to get hurt any game at any time, because as a running back, you are punished every play. So it's about surviving.